Welcome back to the channel, Jaden Chase. Now if you're new, remember to like, to share, and also to subscribe. Now with the Prime Minister allegedly being treated as a regular citizen while traveling to North America, and with alleged US submarines showing up on Jamaican shores, people are wondering what is really taking place. And now, as the administration in power seeks to extend the term for the Director of Public Prosecution, while the Deputy Public Prosecutor is saying that they believe they could be a better prosecutor for Jamaica. Now, I'm going to hear from concerned citizens like Andre Stevens and Isaac Buchanan, and they will contain the reasoning. Look and listen.
Square. Our kind of bang that rang go on a Justice Square. Me never know that the Justice Square turn one market, a fish vendor. Hello, wait. Bitch! Put up them face on the screen. Put up the big market vendor them on the screen. The big dirty careless market who are going in the DPP update.
While you're doing that, I wanted to take this opportunity to use a famous quote from Vybz Kartel. I don't know how his name end up in letter.
We are not ISAT.
No,
we are not.
Let me start with the quote. I want to give the quote. The song is called Menace to Society. It is a poetic rendition that has Shakespearean marvel. And in the second verse, he says, speaking of cocky, yo Paula, go suck a dick. That is a verse from Vybz Kartel. And I'm sure he's saying that right now. You can get that song on iTunes. Menace to Society. Would you like me to repeat it? Stanza 2.
Yeah, I don't know Vybz Kartel song.
Menace to Society, verse 2. Vybz Kartel says, speaking of cocky, yo Paula, go suck a dick. That's what he said in that song. It's a very poetic song. You might want to look at it. So I start the conversation there. Yes.
She must do what right?
Vybz Kartel said she should go and suck a dick. Yes. So I am only quoting the song. Do not shoot the messenger. I know government like Matthew Samuda who like to trace, use what a tool called ad hominem. When the truth comes out, they attack the person. And so in this Beauty and the Beast war, where Kathy Pike is clearly the beauty, the pictures speak for themselves. No one should attack her. And Matthew Samuda has brought the office of the DPP into disrepute by his nastiness, by trying to mar the character of one of the best DPPs. And I tell you this, Jamaica, if they remove Kathy Pike, every criminal walk free, because them no win no case down there unless them put Kathy Pike on it. Me can tell you that.
Mighty God.
That's the start of this
Wait.
conversation.
Wait. But you know, in the letter dated, Kathy Pike said, no, 11 pages.
Mm-hmm.
In concluding, in the circumstances, I'm asking for the postponement of any further vote on this amendment and the launching of an investigation into the viability of the office. If this is done, I'm certain that you will find that there are serious issues to be addressed, which may warrant a conclusion that the proposed amendment should not be affected at this time in respect to the office of the Director of Public Prosecution. So yes. I said, are you saying to me that in the Director of Public Prosecution office, her own senior deputy director is calling for her to go her yard?
Yes. And not just calling, is grounded in the Constitution. That
this lady, this beautiful lady.
Yes, the beauty. I said, remember, we're dealing with Beauty and the Beast tonight, and you now have the beauty that is on
But I
the
said,
screen.
Buchanan,
Yes.
if she's doing this, something wrong, man.
Well, no, we would not be here if the learned DPP had gracefully walked away with her legacy. Never in no country have they I must tell you, Delroy Chuck is a constitutional pedophile. The Charter of Rights is only 12 years old. And when he takes up the constitution and finger fucks it and put it before parliament and try to rush it and then come out after deceiving the entire nation, just one Gleaner article to say, oh, I make a mistake while I was making my submissions about what I said with the DPP.
No. So you're saying that he's a constitutional pedophile?
Yes, the charter is only 12 years old. It's only 12 years old. It's 2011 the charter came into place.
So he's a constitutional pedophile?
A constitutional pedophile. When the time you see they fornicate and finger fuck the constitution, grievous sexual assault.
I said to Buchanan,
yes.
Why are you expressing yourself like this tonight? Why are you so...
I'm expressing because the people need to know that the constitution is the most important document in this country. It is the bedrock of the country. It is the only thing that protects
government. Corruption, crime, a dilapidated health system, a censored media, a corrupt private sector. What has been the fruits of this government? States of emergencies, people locked down. What have been the fruits of this government? Negligence in the financial sector, people's money lost. What has been the fruits of this government? Insulting people that they live on dumper plan, tell you that you're this, you're that. What have been the fruits of this government? Giving people donkeys rather than giving them roads. What have been the fruits of this government? Insulting poor people, telling them it bond them. When the many people in this country, it bond them that them can't have good roads. It bond them that the stinking water downtown can raise upon them, the dirty cesspool water. It bond them, Jamaica. But this government has the moral rectitude to talk about dignity. How can a Daryl Vaz speak about moral authority? How can a government speak about good when a reggae girls have to use GoFundMe? The reggae girls is the only team in the football competition that needs to use a GoFundMe to give them money to go. How then are you going to say to me, Jim, when a man like him can tell you that you're chink and dog, flea and fly, when he knows all the nasty things he has done to people using the Cuban cigar and the whiskey? When this woman can lie to you to tell you that she does not or did not declare and she got $43 million and lost. That 43 million could at least bought at least a...
Talk to me in the comment section. If you're new to the channel, so pass through, click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon. And of course, put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel, check out the reason, and also join the discussion in the comment section 24/7. It never lacks it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there, and we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. Now a quick recap. Concerned citizens are wondering, what is really taking place with the extension of the Director of Public Prosecutions when the Deputy Director of Public Prosecutions is saying that they are fit and competent for the job? And it was told to the people of Jamaica in the previous extension that that would be the only extension, with that extension being unprecedented within itself. Now this additional extension is therefore also unprecedented, or precedented for better choice of words. You know, so you have some people like them P's and them Q's. So there are people who are wondering, why is this being done? Submarine on Jamaican shores. situation with diplomats. Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. What you really think will take place. And the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours, if you want to live, love, and prosper, if you want to stay tuned.